Everyone loves the idea of best friends forever. But according to a research review by Francois Poulain and Alessandra Chan, among first graders, only about half of their friendships last a full school year. And among fourth graders, 1/4 of their friendships don't make it from September to June. Yikes. What can you do to try to make sure your friendships don't fall apart? Stay tuned.
Kids Ask Dr. Friendtastic!
Hi there, I'm Dr. Eileen Kennedy Moore, also known as Dr. Friendtastic. I'm an author and clinical psychologist based in Princeton, New Jersey. Each week on the Kids Ask Dr. Friendtastic podcast, I answer a question from a kid about making and keeping friends. If you have a question you'd like me to answer, you can send it in at drfriendtastic.com/submit. That's drfriendtastic.com/submit. Let's hear today's question.
Hello, I'm Eva, and I'm 6 years old, and my question is, how do you keep friends?
Hi, Eva. What a great question. Thank you for sending it in. Your question points to a very important fact. Making friends is not the same as keeping friends. Making friends is about reaching out to someone you have things in common with to show you like them, and also being open to people who are reaching out to you. Keeping friends is about continuing a friendship beyond the liking that brought you together at the start. It's harder than making friends because it takes more effort. What kind of effort? Well, to keep a friendship going, you need to build up the positive parts of your relationship and minimize the negative parts. On the positive side, you need to spend time with your friend doing things you both enjoy. That could mean playing together at recess or inviting her to get together for a play date. You could also do small acts of kindness for her, like saving her a seat on the bus, sharing your snack, or giving her a compliment like, "Your drawing is pretty." You could also listen to her to get to know more about her and what she likes or doesn't like. You could try to help or comfort her if she's upset. For instance, if she drops her papers, you could help her pick them up. If she falls and hurts herself, you could help her go to a grown-up for a Band-Aid. On the negative side, keeping friends means you have to handle those unavoidable rough spots that happen in every friendship. Suppose your friend does something that makes you mad. Maybe you were playing a board game and she cheated so she could win. Or maybe your friend decided to play with someone else at recess and you felt hurt and left out. In either case, you might be tempted to yell at her, tattle on her, or storm off and refuse to speak to her. Those impulses are understandable, but they won't help you keep a friend. When, not if, you and your friend have a disagreement, mistake, or misunderstanding, if your friendship's going to last, you need to work through that rough spot. That might mean explaining what you want in a kind way and listening to what she wants. It might mean compromising or apologizing or just forgiving each other and trying again. For instance, in the cheating situation, you could clarify the rules or suggest a different activity. If your friend is playing with someone else, you could join them or give your friend some space and play with someone else that day. Then try again to play with your friend the next day. Also, if you accidentally do something that makes your friend mad or hurts her feelings, you need to do what you can to make things right. That might mean explaining, apologizing, or figuring out a way to prevent it from happening again. The key to keeping friends is to show them that they matter to you. That means you know them and care about them, so you're willing to put in the effort to build up the good parts of your friendship and work through the rough spots. This has been Kids Ask Dr. Friendtastic. You can learn even more about friendship through my funny and practical books for kids. Growing Friendships, a kid's guide to making and keeping friends, and Growing Feelings, a kid's guide to dealing with emotions about friends and other kids. They're available through your library or wherever you buy books. Parents, check out my online workshops for kids at workshops.eileenkennedymore.com.